disc explodes over the suburbs, a blazing sky that wants to scream. Long shadows mingle with smoke, and the heavy air foretells what is to come. 10 streets, restless bodies, we live pressed together, unable to escape like an Akira. The force awakens, the shattered utopia pushes us back. Engines roar like steel beasts, weary faces that don't look back. The neighborhood vibrates with a hunger for change, a world that creaks, about to explode. 10 streets, restless bodies, we live pressed together, unable to escape like an Akira. The force awakens, the shattered utopia pushes us back. Pushes us back. From worn roofs emerge stories, lost echoes that will never return. Houses piled up like ants, a living labyrinth difficult to escape. Sirens cross the blazing sky, trains roar, marking the end. The injury stories without peace, a fractured map that refuses to rest. 10 streets, restless bodies, we live pressed together, unable to escape like an Akira. The force awakens, the broken utopia pushes us back. Kids run with fire in their hands, searching for meaning where it no longer exists. The red sky falls upon their shoulders, and they want to snatch life away with a single shot. Fallen cables hang like wounds, witnesses to time that will never heal. People move forward with heavy lives, the fury that drives them to try again. Perhaps one day calm will return after the storm that threatens to break us today. But the suburbs are unsafe today, and every day it becomes harder to walk.